What is up, bosses? In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Google Meet account. You go into Other Settings, Integrations, and just click on the Google Meet button. And you'll choose your your email account, which to connect to. Click Allow. And you are now connected to Google Meet. How you use this is in your booking pages, whether it's appointments or products and services. Let's use a service. You'll see on the bottom, you'll have a create meeting when booked in, and you can choose either none, or now you can choose Google Meet. And when you make sure you click save. And now when you when someone books you for this coaching meeting, you will, the Google Meet information and links will be included in the booking confirmation and the email reminders as well. And you will see it in the booking information that you get it as well.